Foshan Land Packaging Machinery Company Limited. Landpack is a high-tech enterprise focusing on manufacturing efficient, stable, safe, and beautifully packaged intelligent packaging machinery, integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service department. At present, the company has developed more than 10 packaging filling line series, which are widely used in the food, sauce, daily chemical, hardware, healthcare product and pharmaceutical, and other industries, to meet the customized needs of the majority of enterprise users all around the world. Landpack is a leading manufacturer of all kinds of packing and filling machine, widely applicable to all kinds of pouch, 3/4 sealing sachet, bottles, cans, tins, box, etc. Our main products including granules, powder, liquid packing and filling machines, pre-made pouch doy pack machine, multi-lane packing machine, vertical form fill seal machine VFFS, flow pack machine, tube filling and sealing machine, automatic filling and packing line, etc. Landpack has a mature R&D and service technical team with over 10 engineers and 55 senior technicians. Most of them have more than 10 years' experience in packing industry, providing customers with strong overall project design and development, manufacturing, installation, and commissioning, after-sales service training, equipment acceptance test, and other comprehensive service. Relying on a mature production management system, each packaging filling line has an independent installation and commissioning workshop and team. Some core components are developed and produced by our own CNC machining center. The special worker and person are responsible for the installation and debugging mode, and the division of labor is clear and efficient to ensure the quality and delivery time are strictly met, international standards, and customers' special standard. We has a professional after-sales support service team will provide 24-hour online telephone and video technical services, which helping you solve all your problem in machine assembly, machine delivery, machine maintenance. Also, we will give regular return visits to enterprise users to prevent safety and technology problems before they happen. More than 3,000 business partners have chosen Landpack. The mission of our Landpack people: to make the packaging of the world better because of Landpack.